What are the OMPT exams, who needs to take them, and how should you prepare? OMPT is a series of online mathematics admission tests used by universities to check whether international applicants have the mathematical knowledge required for a specific degree program. Mathematics education differs between countries. You may have a recognized diploma but still be missing certain topics required by your university. In that case, the university may ask you to complete an OMPT test. The examination is taken online and remotely supervised. You normally need a computer or laptop, a stable internet connection, a webcam, identification, and a quiet private room. Personal notes, books, mobile phones, extra devices, and your own calculator are not allowed. When needed, the testing platform provides a digital calculator. Always check the latest official test day rules before your appointment. There are 7 main modules: OMPT-A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are not simply 7 difficulty levels. Each module covers different topics and is accepted by different university programs. OMPT-A mainly focuses on algebra and pre-calculus. It includes numbers, algebraic expressions, linear and quadratic equations, functions, exponential functions, logarithms, and introductory differentiation. It is commonly used by selected business, economics, management, and social science programs. OMPT-B covers a broader mathematics syllabus. In addition to algebra, functions, logarithms, and differentiation, it may include trigonometry and integration. OMPT-C focuses on foundational mathematics, including numbers, algebra, linear equations, and geometry. OMPT-D is one of the broadest modules. It covers algebra, functions, logarithms, differentiation, trigonometry, geometry, and integration. Its questions may require several connected steps and longer calculations. OMPT-E combines algebra and pre-calculus with statistics and probability. It may include descriptive statistics, combinatorics, random variables, and probability distributions. OMPT-F focuses more deeply on algebra, equations and inequalities, functions, logarithms, and differentiation. It contains fewer questions than some other modules, but each question can require more detailed reasoning. OMPT-G combines mathematics with science. Its syllabus may include algebra, functions, sequences, trigonometry, geometry, mechanics, and chemistry. It is mainly relevant to selected science, engineering, and technology programs. Which test should you take? You should never select a module simply because it appears easier. Your exact university program determines which OMPT test is accepted. Selected programs at universities such as KU Leuven, the University of Antwerp, UCLL, Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam, Utrecht University, the University of Groningen, the University of Amsterdam, Tilburg University, Radboud University, Maastricht University, Leiden University, Erasmus University Rotterdam, NHH, Norwegian School of Economics, BI Norwegian Business School, LUT University, and Vilnius University currently accept one or more OMPT modules. However, not every program at these universities accepts the same test. One program may require OMPT-A, while another may require OMPT-D, E, or F. Requirements can also depend on your diploma, mathematics background, and application year. There is no universal passing score. Each university sets its own minimum requirement. Some programs ask for around 60%, while many published requirements are approximately 65 or 75%. Before purchasing the real test, confirm 4 details. Which module is required? What minimum score do you need? How many attempts are allowed? What is the submission deadline? There is also no single public pass rate for all OMPT exams because passing depends on the requirement of each program. Official information has reported that candidates using structured preparation materials achieved an average first attempt score of approximately 76%. Compared with approximately 40% among those who did not practice. This does not guarantee any individual result, but it clearly shows the value of preparation. Start by reading the complete syllabus for your module. Then complete a timed diagnostic or mock test without notes. The goal of the first test is not to achieve a perfect score. It is to discover your current level. Review every mistake carefully. Did you misunderstand the topic? Did you use the wrong method? Did you make a calculation error? Did you run out of time? Did you enter the answer incorrectly? After revising your weak areas, complete a second independent mock exam. Do not repeat the same questions immediately and confuse memorization with improvement. A fresh question set is needed to confirm whether you can apply the method independently. Time management is also important. Learn how many questions your test contains and how much time is available. Do not spend too long on one difficult question while leaving easier questions unanswered. You should also practice using a digital calculator and entering mathematical answers on a computer. The official test attempt currently costs €240 for OMPT-A, B, C, E, and G. OMPT-D and OMPT-F currently cost €270 per attempt. Official preparation material costs an additional €95. The official mock exam costs €90 for most modules and €110 for OMPT-D and F. Each real attempt must be purchased separately. That is a significant amount of money to spend without first knowing whether you understand the syllabus, can manage the time limit, and are familiar with the format. Do not use the expensive real examination as your first practice test. On OMPTexam.com, you can compare all 7 modules, review their syllabuses, search for universities and programs accepting them, and check published minimum score requirements. You can also try free practice questions before purchasing a full Examify mock examination. Examify practice tests are completed online and include realistic time limits, complete answer keys, and detailed step-by-step solutions. Use Generation 1 to identify your weaknesses. Review every incorrect answer. Then complete Generation 2 as a fresh assessment of your progress. No preparation platform can guarantee a particular score or university admission. However, proper preparation can help you avoid entering an expensive supervised examination without understanding the content, timing, calculator, or answer entry system. Visit OMPTexam.com. Find your university program, confirm the correct test and required score, review the syllabus, and take the free test before purchasing your real OMPT attempt. All practice tests available through OMPTexam.com are independently created and produced by Examify. Examify is an independent preparation platform and is not affiliated with OMPT, its test provider, or any university.